What's the meaning of compliment? Compliment. Compliment.
Complement. Complement. A compliment is a statement or an action that expresses admiration, praise, or approval towards someone or something. It is meant to make the person feel good about themselves or their accomplishments and is often given as a form of encouragement or recognition. Compliments can range from simple phrases like "you look nice today" to more elaborate expressions of appreciation. Regardless of the form, a sincere compliment has the power to uplift someone's mood, boost their self-confidence, and strengthen relationships between individuals. Overall, a compliment is a positive and meaningful way to show appreciation for others.